Hello my dear friend, here we have the 17th question, and this time again the question is in the form of 0 by 0, and I told you how to check that. First you should check the denominator, right, whether that is getting some undetermined value or not. Yes, when you're going to plug the value of x tends to 0 over here, then it will be cosine of 0, and cosine of 0 is 1. So 1 minus 1 in the denominator, it's gonna be 0 in the denominator, right? And similarly in the numerator, if you see, if you plug the value of x tends to 0 here, then cosine of 2 times 0, that's 0 finally, and again cosine 0 is equals to 1. So 1 minus 1, again that will lead us to 0, and this will turn this form 0 over 0. That's really a very bad news for us. All right, as I told you in the previous sections also, that whenever you're going to get 0 by 0 some undetermined value, then that time you have to work on the expression that you have got and convert it in such a way by using all your mathematical skills that you have learned till this time in such a form that you are not going to get denominator 0 after plugging the value of x. All right, so what we can do now here, the very wonderful news for us is this is to sine twice of x. All right, so twice of x, then we can use the 3 formula, right? That is one is 2 cos square x minus 1, another is cos square x minus sine square x, all right, and another is 1 minus 2 sine square x. And what will be the best suitable that we need to use here? All right, so see here, if I'm going to use this formula 2 cos square x minus 1, what will happen? See, it will be 2 cos square x and minus 1 more will be added, so this minus 1 which is initially here, and this minus 1 will turn minus 2 here, and here will be also 2. So 2 you can take common and it will form a square minus b square form, in which one factor will be a minus b, which is in the denominator. So we can easily cancel that. All right, just take a look how I'm doing this. Limit x tends to 0, cosine 2x. In the place of this, I'm going to use this formula 2 cos square x minus 1. 2 cosine square x minus 1, again minus 1, divided by cosine of x minus 1. Again limit x tends to 0. Now this 2 cos square x I'm keeping as it is, 2 cos square x, and this minus 1 now it will turn to minus 2 divided by cosine of x minus 1. And again limit x tends to 0. Now 2 I'm going to take common, so I will be left with cos square x minus 1, which I can square easily because the square of 1 is same 1, and again cosine x minus 1. And my dear friend, if you take a look now, then this is exactly like a square minus b square formula. So we can use a square minus b square, that is equals to a plus b times a minus b. All right, so it's going to be limit x tends to 0. Now 2 times a plus b, right? This is working as a and this is working as a b, times a minus b, that's cosine of x minus 1, and divided by cosine x minus 1. And see the magic, we can now easily cancel this denominator with this numerator, and so we're left with 2 times cosine x plus 1. And now if you plug the value of x tends to 0, take a look what happens. Cosine of 0, that is 1 plus 1, so no problem at all. Now we can easily insert, and as I told you, we have to use all the mathematical rules till all the skills, so we use mathematical skills to make it in such a form that we are not getting 0 in denominator. So in denominator now we have 1, because this times 1 is this one. All right, so now we're gonna directly plug the value of x tends to 0 there, right? So it will be 2 times cosine of 0 plus 1. All right, and that's 2 times, now cosine 0 is 1, all right, 1, and then it will be 2 times 2, that is 4. So this is our answer. I hope you understand it, and if there is any more confusion in this, then please feel free to comment below this video. It will be a really pleasure me to reply you, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And next question, we're covering some more interesting questions.